How to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to your PS5, that is PlayStation 5. How you can simply do it step by step. In this video I'm going to show you how it can be done. Now here is a step by step guide on how you can connect it. Firstly, you just have to power on your headset. Simply hold the power button until the headset turns on. You should see the LED light blinking on, hear a power on sound here on your headphone. Second step is plug in the USB wireless transmitter if included. Insert the USB transmitter into one of the PS5 USB ports. Wait for a few seconds for it to sense automatically. If it does not connect, put both the headset and transmitter into pairing mode. Headset, hold the pairing button until LED starts flashing rapidly and press its small pairing button until it also starts flashing. They should pair within seconds, and then set PS5 to use the headset for audio. To go setting on your PS, click on sound option, click on audio output, and then choose Turtle Beach Stealth 500 as an audio output for your PS5. The fourth option is mic setting. If this is optional, you can do it or you cannot do it. Settings, then go to sound, then go to microphone, set input device to Turtle Beach Stealth 500, adjust mic level as needed, and you can charge with included USB-C cable. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.